in Texas. Okay, well, I work for an energy company called Green Mountain Energy. They're the only company in South Texas, or actually in Texas, that does clean energy. Every other company generates electricity, but they do it with gas, coal, and nuclear, which is affecting the environment. The number one pollutant in Texas is generation, caused because of generation of energy. And it's caused because it's generated through coal and gas. Do you all know that right now in Texas is the worst state there is in the United States, and that we are in one of the worst cities of pollution because we're in Texas. Houston, Texas is the worst city in the whole nation in pollution. All of these are facts. Everything that I'm saying is facts. So if you know something, go ahead and say, you know what, I saw something different, or I heard something different. But all of these are facts that are happening. People don't understand, customers don't understand. What we do for Green Mountain is we'll go out there and explain to customers how electricity works. 95% of the state doesn't understand that they're entitled to stay with the same electrical services, but they can switch their billing provider, and that's going to be able to switch their generation too. Your REPs here in Texas are generating electricity through gas and coal, and it's affecting the environment really bad. I'm going to tell you what happened to me this weekend. I went to the island. I didn't believe in it, honestly. I'm doing it, but I wasn't 100% on it. And I went to the island this weekend, and we went to get a sunburn, right, just to get some. I was there for 45 minutes, and I actually got a first-degree burn in my legs. And I don't know if you go try it, but you can see if you put any kind of skin, you can put a chicken out there in Salvador Island at around 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, and you'll see what happens to that chicken. It's unbelievable, and it's happening. I don't know if you've seen the movies. I don't know if you know what's going on with the movies that are like Earth. I don't know if you've seen Earth and the Inconvenient Truth, but it's actually happening. It's true. In Houston, Texas, they're telling customers not to eat no kind of fish if they were fish in the area because they have a lot of mercury. That's another thing that's going on, and it's telling the customers not to have babies because there's more higher risk of that. It's happening in Houston, Texas right now. There's more probabilities that the child is going to come with problems, and they're also telling you not to be out there running. Because running in Houston is like the equivalent of smoking 2 packs of cigarettes.
Houston is worse than LA?
Worse. LA is the cleanest, I can say that. I just came from LA about a month and a half ago, and it's nothing compared to where we live. We're in the worst cities, it's just so you can know. People don't know that because they don't want to research. It's not affecting them right now. Once it starts affecting you, you want to make a switch, right? Sometimes it's too late. And that's what we're trying to get customers to understand, that they have the opportunity to go wind and water. It's 100% renewable, it's 100% pollution-free. It doesn't affect the environment, and it's helping you lower your electricity. A lot of customers are going out there saying, well, how can I lower my electricity? Well, like you see the ones, the light bulbs you have right here? They're very, very, they use a lot of energy. And it's going to affect, it's affecting the economy, and it's affecting us. And I'm going to show you why it's affecting the economy. Because what happens if 100,000 people can save $100 in their light bill? They're going to go out there and waste it. 100,000 plus 100 times 100 equals to 1 million. That's how the economy starts moving up. But they're giving it to all that money is going to certain people. Right? I don't know if you've heard what's going on with the energy companies, that they're going bankrupt and all of that. They're going bankrupt not because of the cost of the energy, it's because they're not investing their money right. They're paying $1 million to the CEOs every week. That's their salary. $1 million a week. $52 million a year. So all of those things affecting the economy, and the ignorance from customers not to know what they can do to switch to another electric provider. I'm saying all this so you can actually move it on to other people and explain to them that they have the ability to switch their customers, their current provider, and it's not going to affect their electric company. Because their electric company will always be the same one. It's AEP, which is Central Power Line. That will be the same service always here in the Valley, especially here in McAllen, because all your McAllen area is CPL. So CPL is a service company. They will always service you. They own the poles, the wires, and the meters. But your retail provider, like Reliant, TXU, First Choice, and all of them, they're just your retailers. So if you have Reliant, for example, they're a good company. they're selling energy, but they're not giving you clean energy. They're generating electricity through gas and coal, which is not renewable. And those are the causes of global warming. They're also the causes of smog and the causes of acid rain. Have you ever heard when they say you can't eat the tomatoes, or you can't eat the spinach? Or everything that goes up must come down, right? And that's what creates acid rain.